Okay, good evening. Today I'm going to present value chain management and customer relationship management. Value chain management is nothing but delivering what is required and how it should be in a simple terms. What it requires is that better for greater customer relationship, the goods has to be delivered as per the requirement of the consumer. Building up the goods in proper quality, in quantity, and as it should be, without any adulteration or mishandling. Everything should be taken into consideration before, even before planning what type of goods we are going to manufacture. Understanding value chain is nothing but, as I said before, it starts with raw material selection. As we theoretically we can speak, it is raw material selection, but practically it starts even before the idea generation of what should be manufactured, how it should be manufactured, how it should be distributed, and how it should be marketed. So selection of raw materials is nothing but the quality raw materials in correct, without adulteration or without any mishandling of material should be taken into consideration. So whatever, the only when good raw material is given, good finished goods can be uh, taken back by the consumer. So the process also, it involves proper technology, proper incorporating proper labor management, proper proper process of converting raw material into finished goods. The better infrastructure, whatever the ingredients that has been used to convert the raw materials into finished product should be in such a way that everything is given due importance in the selection. Only then the final products also will be good. So selecting any distribution channel also took taken into consideration. So if the longer the distribution channel, the cost is has to be borne by the consumer, ultimate consumer. So everything should be taken in the mind, or even during distribution of goods. Better marketing people, better sales methodology should be adopted, so that it will easily help the consumer to select what they need. So complicated, as we know that today the online, people think that online is a easy method of buying goods, so it's made available. Even after sales also, the responsibility of the manufacturer does not end even after sales. Even after sales service is more important, because only the manufacturer will know what is there in their product. Only he can get the goods corrected. So right from the raw material selection, or even before the raw material selection, the stage of idea generation, and after production, taking the goods to the consumer through different value chain process, and ultimately handovering the goods in the hands of the consumer. And the consumer, after purchasing, the consumer will encounter some problems with regard to the product, that also should be as entertained by the real manufacturer. So the value chain actually builds up better consumer relationship. Okay, it focuses in the internal process, and also it optimizes efficiency across various stages of the product. So each and every stage has to be is blended with value. Better consumer relationship and will help us to make their meet their need in the future also. So alignment of business with consumer needs is a better value chain process. It gives better experience to the manufacturer. It is so, to improve the, or to optimize the value chain, process mapping should be done properly. Automation technologies must be used. Better data analytic tools must be used. Only then continuous improvement will be given to the product. Data analysis helps to collect the information that is needed for improving the product efficiencies. With the automation, with the machines, or the repeated task which is to be done can be used with the help of machines. So mapping of process is nothing but which is first, which is second, third. which process should be completed after the other process. Everything should be mapped in the tune with, so that the in tune so that the product will have a better quality and the future market will also be assured for the consumers. So any data that has to be collected, it should be aligned with the need and the factors which is to be considered. Can be present in the form of data analytics tools, and it can be given in the form of diagrams also. So the diagrammatic representations will easily help people to figure out which is right and which is wrong. Better consumer experience can also be enhanced with the help of diagrammatic representation. So personalization, convenience, responsiveness, proactive communication is nothing but how closer we are going to be with the consumers' needs, how we are going to address their inquiries, how they can get product based as equated with their convenience. So frequent feedbacks, customer follow-ups, what reacting or giving feedback for their needs will certainly enhance the value of customer experience in the future. So as we know that whatever the data we are collecting, that has to be represented. It can be represented in the form of diagrams to get more consumer insights. The target market can be easily reached, and the process can be easily automated. It tells us about the application of predictive analytics, where the future can be of the market can be easily judged, or it can be met. So only with the help of values, the market of the any product can be built, and by building the relationship with the consumers also. So customer relationship should be built, and the profit of the organization can be assured, and also the competitive advantage, easily the competitions in the market can also be met. So with this, we conclude that consumer relationship is not only important for delivering the product in the current scenario, it focuses in the future also. Thank you.